Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're going to dive into something super exciting, building your very own web development portfolio. Think of your portfolio as your digital handshake, your online showcase that tells the world, hey, look what I can create. We're going to use my personal portfolio as a living example to break down how HTML, CSS, and JavaScript work together to bring ideas to life. By the end of this, you'll not only understand the basics, but also see how design principles apply in real projects, and hopefully get tons of inspiration for your own digital creations. HTML, the backbone of your web page. Let's start with the very foundation, HTML. HTML, or hypertext markup language, is all about structure. It's like the skeleton of our web page, telling the browser what each piece of content is. You'll see we use tags like header for the top navigation, main to hold our main content, and section to divide our page into logical parts like About Me, Services, and Featured Projects. This isn't just for looks. It's called semantic HTML, making our code readable for other developers and accessible for screen readers. Notice how we link our CSS file right here in the head section and our JavaScript file just before the closing /body tag. This is crucial for connecting all the pieces. CSS, making it shine with design principles. Now let's talk about CSS, cascading style sheets. If HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the skin, hair, and clothes. It's what makes our portfolio look good and feel professional. We've gone for a dark, minimalist theme here. See how we define our background color for the body and choose light color for the text to ensure high contrast. That's a key design principle, readability. We use Google fonts like Poppins for body text and Montserrat for headings to maintain visual hierarchy. It helps guide the user's eye. Now, one of the coolest parts is how we lay out our projects. Instead of just a single line, we wanted 2 projects per line. For this, we used CSS Grid. Look at this display, grid and grid template columns, repeat autofit, min-max 450px, 1fr. This magical line tells the browser, hey, create a grid. Try to fit as many columns as possible, but each column should be at least 450 pixels wide. This gives us that beautiful 2-column layout you see here, and the gap property adds nice spacing between them. This is a powerful way to apply layout design principles for a structured and engaging presentation. We also add little touches like transition effects on buttons and project cards. These smooth animations aren't just fancy. They provide visual feedback to the user, enhancing the user experience. JavaScript adding interaction and life. Finally, we bring our web page to life with JavaScript. JS is what makes things interactive and dynamic. For example, if you look at the header, we have a burger menu for mobile devices. This simple JavaScript code detects when you click that burger icon and toggles the navigation links to appear or disappear. It's a fundamental part of making our site responsive and user-friendly on smaller screens. Another small but neat JavaScript trick is this line right here that automatically updates the copyright year in the footer. Little details like this ensure your site is always current without you having to manually update it every year. Welcome to my online portfolio tour, your digital handshake, professional story, and creative playground. This website showcases my capabilities. We'll explore each section, discussing design choices and their role in creating a smooth, engaging experience. My goal, to inspire your own projects. Visual style, dark minimalist mod. First, notice the dark minimalist theme. This isn't just aesthetic, it makes content pop, reduces clutter, and ensures great readability. Deep backgrounds allow lighter text and vibrant accents to stand out, creating a modern feel. The aim is a clean, professional user experience, effortlessly guiding visitors to information. Skills and my development approach. Header and navigation, always accessible. At the top, the header and navigation feature a clear, uniquely styled logo, an instant brand identifier. Links about, services, work, contact are always visible for easy section jumps. Subtle hover animations provide visual feedback. Good navigation is paramount. Visitors never get lost. Hero section, powerful first impression. The hero section is prime real estate for a powerful first impression. My name is bold, highlighting Sharma with a vibrant accent. Below, a concise tagline. Crafting engaging digital experiences with beautiful design and clean code, impactful and clear. 2 call to action buttons. Explore my work and get in touch, encourage engagement. My profile photo adds a personal touch, framed with a subtle glow and slight hover effect. Professional details enhancing vitality. About section, sharing your story. The About section shares my story and passion, crucial for building connection and trust. Layout is straightforward. A personal image opposite descriptive text. Both offer a glimpse into my personality and philosophy. Authenticity is key. Let your unique voice shine. A good About Me makes you relatable. Services section, clear capabilities. The Services section clearly outlines my offerings using a clean grid with prominent icons. For example, UI/UX design, front-end development. Concise descriptions provide just enough detail. This design makes my capabilities and how I can help incredibly easy to grasp. Featured projects, showcasing your best work. Now the core, featured projects. A striking 2-column layout showcases my best work at a glance. Dynamic on larger screens. Each project is a card with a compelling image. Hovering reveals a subtle zoom. Below, a quick category tag, clear title, and brief summary. The most important part, the View Case Study button. This leads to a dedicated page for deep dives into project challenges, process, and solutions. This case study approach effectively demonstrates skills beyond the final output. Contact section, effortless connection. Finally, the contact section makes connection effortless. A simple, clean, easy-to-fill form features clear labels, sufficient space, and a prominent send message button. Below, links to social media profiles, LinkedIn, GitHub, Dribbble, offer multiple avenues for connection and show professional presence. Icons are large and clickable, with subtle hover effects. Responsiveness, designed for every device. A critical aspect, responsiveness. Your website must look and function perfectly on any device. Watch as I shrink the browser. Navigation collapses into a neat burger menu on mobile, saving space, with links sliding out smoothly on tap. 2-column projects gracefully stack into a single column. This ensures content remains readable, organized, and interactive on the smallest screen, achieved through clever design principles, adapting the layout. My biggest advice, start building your own portfolio. Don't wait for perfection. Experiment with layouts. Choose colors and fonts that represent you. And most importantly, showcase your best work. Your portfolio is a dynamic reflection of your journey and skills. The best way to learn web development is by doing. Good luck and happy creating.
Please do like, share, and subscribe, and DM me if you need any help with your projects.